if your pump ever stops working, I need all my other tools. There's a GFI right in here.
The weekly.
Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. The winter time is still here. However, today we have like 50-degree weather. It's absolutely crazy, up and down, up and down, up and down. I feel like I've been saying that on practically every ribbit this winter. However, today we're running out because a customer of ours, their pump has stopped working. And I think it's really important to kind of show you guys and help you with some of the steps you need to take to figure out what's actually happening. So we're gonna take the go-kart chariot and head on out of here. All right, here we go. We're gonna go check this out. See what's going on with this pump. This customer called me on Saturday, said their pump stopped, asked them to check the outlet. They did check it. The outlet was not working, so check the GFI first. And there's a GFI right in here. We have everything unplugged. Hit this button right here, the reset button. Hit it, and you hear that pop. It means it reset. Check this one. Hit the test, it should pop. And you hit the reset, and you hear that pop. That means it reset. So now we're gonna try and see what happens. You wanna unplug everything first, and then plug everything in one at a time to see what happens. Plug this one in first. One's good, there's no pop. Plug this one in. No pop. Plug this one in, and it popped. Did you hear that? Okay, so we heard the pop. I know that that outlet is the pump. So what we have to do now is pull the pump and see what's happening. The pump could be shot. I need all my other tools. Or it could just have something clogged in it, keeping the impeller from going. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the pump out, we'll see what happens, and we'll see what's going on. This is the impeller. It's shot. We need to get a new pump, and these are kind of like tires on your car. They wear out and then they explode and break apart. So we figured out what happened here. The impeller completely blew apart. Other things that can happen is in that impeller piece, an acorn could get stuck in there, a piece of mulch could get stuck in there, and it prohibits the impeller from moving, which is going to put strain on the pump and make the pump trip the breaker. That electrical outlet could be the source of the problem, and there could be something else there that is popping it. So when something shuts down like that on you, you want to check everything. First, the electrical outlet. See if you can't narrow down what piece of equipment that you have plugged in there is causing your problem and causing the outlet to trip or causing your pond not to run. And then once you're able to figure that out by process of elimination, check that unit and see what's happening. If it's the pump, you want to try and take the pump apart. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a link down below that shows you how to perform pump maintenance on at least the pumps that we use on a continuous basis. I hope that we were able to help you a little bit today. If you do have a problem, at least to narrow down what it might be before you call your professional in, or you can even try and do it yourself. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I Saw My Pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please fill out the Weekly Ribbit question submission form down below. Click the link, fill out the form, get us some pictures, and ask your question. We'd love to answer your question and help you enjoy this wonderful hobby. So that's all for this week. Have a great week, everyone, and thanks a lot for watching.